Hi everybody, Mike with Enviroscape LA, and super excited here. I just want to share this with you before we actually finish the project. We're just about done. This was a homeowner project before, and it didn't quite work, and so he called us. And so basically I want to show you what was here before. There was this old fountain, fountain pump, and it pushed into this UV, so a lot of stuff. And so what we did was we used, this is by Owasa, who makes the Pond Boss, but this is the Pond Boss UV with clarifier. I wanted to get something that actually had the pump and the UV all built into one. So that's what this unit is right here. So it's the 1,300 gallon per hour, and what we did was so this thing is starting to fill up now. We actually put the pump at the bottom of the pond. We built a waterfall here, and so it's going to be continually flowing. I'll show you what it looks like once it's got all the plants in and so on, but I just wanted to show you what we're doing. We added a couple lights. They're UV lights with one LED. It's going to use a minimum of electricity, and it's going to give them many, many hours of enjoyment every day. This is Mike with Enviroscape LA signing off. When you think sustainability and permaculture, think Enviroscape LA.